To make a new booking, simply click on the time that you wish to book. Here you have a countdown timer. Usually this is set anywhere between 2 to 4 minutes for you to complete the reservation. During this time, no one else can book for that time frame. It is locked for you. You can confirm the date and time and court that has been selected. If this is incorrect, then you can click on the left arrow to go back. Rental options will be displayed only if it is something that court type has available. If you wish to add a rental option, simply click and check the box to select it. If you scroll down, you'll be able to see the required number of players and the max number of players allowed for this reservation. Since you're logged in, you will already be in the player 1 position. Click Add Member to find a friend's name. And when you type in the name, it will search for anybody with that name in the first or last name field. Click on their name to add to the booking. You scroll back down. If your club allows guests to be added to the court reservation, click on Add Guest. If the countdown timer has run down to 0, you will see a lock expired pop-up. And what you'll have to do is click on Back to Court Sheet to start all over again. It will not remember any names or guests that have already been added to the reservation booking you started. Let's click on Back to Court Sheet. Let's quickly go back to hardcore number 2 and choose a time that we want to book at 4 p.m. Scroll down and add our member. Click on their name. We can scroll down and add our guest. So type in their first name. Remember, the last name field is required as well. If you choose not to add it and just click Add, it will turn red, indicating that you have to fill out this field. Email address is optional though. This is only used if the club has opted to turn on email confirmations. Your guest will receive it as well. In this case, I do not want to add the email address. I'm going to hit Add. If you want to add a TBD, which is a to be determined player, you can go ahead and click on that. Basically, it allows you to hold a spot for somebody without knowing who is coming. Please note, TBD is only available if the club has opted to turn this feature on. Add buddies and groups will allow you to quickly add your friends in a pre-created list. Click on it, and you can either choose individuals or groups of people that you've already created. So let's say I wanted to add my Sunday group of people. So Robert and Anne, I just have to click on it, and they're now added to the player list. If you don't want anybody, you can go ahead and click the X to remove them. If you have any special notes to tell the club for your court reservation, you can use this box and type it in. If not, simply click on the Book Now button to complete your reservation. Once you've completed the reservation, you'll have a little check mark indicating that the booking is completed. It will tell you the court number, date, time, confirmation number, along with the names of your players that you added to the booking, resources if you had any, notes if you typed any, and you have the option of editing your booking, canceling your booking, or view in my bookings.